Hey my friends, my name is Terry. Welcome to my channel English with Terry. In this video, I want to talk about a little word, and that word is really. I want to show you why it's important, why you need to use it more in your sentences, and depending on where you put the word really in your sentence, the meaning can change. All right, let's go. English with Terry. Let's start with the pronunciation. Now, the or is the mouth is closed, open. Really, right? Really. Some languages have different or sound. It's not really or heely. It's really, like ra. Really. Got it? Try with me. Really. In the negative, we will say not really, okay? Be careful not to say really no or no really. It's just not really. Now, here's a classic example of a sentence. I like the city very much. Now, this is perfectly okay, it's correct, but it's much better in English to say I really like the city. Again, there's no problem to say I like the city very much, but it's not very common. Native speakers, we don't really speak that way. So when you have like, I like the city very much, and I really like the city. See, 80% of the time we will say, I really like the city. So when you really like something, it's better to use the word really. Now, be careful here. You cannot use very in this case. I very like the city, or I very much like. We don't really put very much before the verb like in this case. And again, with it's very good, it's a little bit. But then to say it's really good is stronger. The meaning is stronger than very, okay? For example, it's cold, it's really cold. Now, here, for example, we can talk about the difference in meaning of when we put the word really in different places. We can have a simple sentence like I'm Irish. I'm Irish. To say I'm really Irish, in this case would mean that, whatever my attitude or my behavior or my philosophy is very, very Irish. That the way I behave, that I'm really Irish, or he's really Spanish. To say that he behaves in a way that is very typical of this country. But let's look here at when we change the position of really. One is I'm Irish, and I really am Irish. Now, in this case, it's like someone does not believe you. No, I really am Irish, And this has happened to me because my accent in English, after learning 4 different languages, it's a little neutral. It's not so Irish. So some people don't always believe me. They think I'm American or something, but I'm not. I really am Irish. I really am. You want to see my passport? It's the idea of you don't believe me. You don't believe me? We can put really in the front of the sentence or at the end, and it's the same idea of like confusion, of like you don't believe me? I'm Irish. I'm Irish, really. But usually we have a comma out there or a pause, right? Really. Here, for example, they can help you. The idea to say they can really help you, we have really before help, it's the idea that their ability, their capacity to help you is very big. So they can really help you. They will give you a big, big help. See, their ability to help you is great. But to say here they really can help you, it's the idea of like insistence or like you don't believe me. No, they really can help you. The difference of they can really help you is that their capacity to help you is great. But to say they really can help you, it's like the other person does not believe you and you are insisting. So they really can help you. Again, we could put it in the front or at the end. Really, they can help you. They can help you, really. And it's the same idea of insistence, right? So if we have here, I am late, to say I am really late means I'm very, very late, yeah? To say I really am late is kind of like an insistence. No, I really am late. Because you don't believe me. And then the final, not so common, really, I'm late. I'm late, really. There, just still the idea of insistence or the idea of you don't believe me. Again here, they can really help you. Their ability to help you is great. And they really can help you. It's like, you don't believe me? No, they really can help you. With other verbs, we can see similar differences in meaning. For example, they don't really want to buy it. Now, the meaning is light. They don't really want to buy it. They maybe want to buy it. They don't really want to buy it. But to say they really don't want to buy it, putting the really after the person, it's more emphasis. It's stronger. It's like, no, they really don't want to buy it, right? Or I want to help you. I really want to help you. It's much stronger. And you could say, really, I want to help you. Or I want to help you, really. But again, it's not so common as the other one, as the first two. With want, we don't generally put really after want. Really, I really want, or I want. But to say I want really to help you, it's not really the correct word order. I really want you to subscribe to my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions or doubts or comments at all, if you want to ask for a different video or you want me to make a video about a specific topic, I'm definitely waiting. Please click like if to support and help me grow on YouTube, and share with your friends if you think this video will be useful for them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'm Tara McGonigal, and I'll see you guys in the next video.